What's best for me, a bookkeeper or a CPA? I get this question all the time. You are a startup or a small business, and let's say it's time for some help with those finances. They're starting to get a little bit unruly and are really starting to stress you out. So you're trying to figure out which is best to help me with the next step in my business. So let's start with some definitions. So what is a bookkeeper? Well, a bookkeeper is the one who will categorize transactions. They will maintain and manage the books. They'll balance your books. They'll run reports and essentially just make sure that all of the information is getting properly categorized and included in the accounting software. Now, an accountant will take that financial information, those financial reports that a bookkeeper has prepared, and they'll take it one step further. So an accountant will actually look at the reports and then be able to make some financial insights from that, right? So understand what the numbers are saying. So taking the reports, really providing some additional financial insight and being able to start strategizing, making business decisions, and really using that information to take action in some way in the business. Now, a certified public accountant really just means that they have gotten a certification to be able to represent either an individual or a company during a tax audit. Okay, so they have a certification to understand tax regulations and be able to interpret and understand the tax code and audit for financial statements. There's also a tax preparer, right? So as the name implies, this would be the person who prepares your taxes. And that can be you if you're preparing your taxes, but it is often a CPA, right? So you hire a CPA, a certified public accountant, to prepare your taxes. Let's talk about these different names, right? Because often CPA is used to cover all of them. It's used to cover tax preparer, it's used to cover accountant, it's used to cover a bookkeeper, but a CPA is not necessarily all of those things. Okay, the CPA is just the certification that someone can obtain. And really, we want to differentiate between what you need next for your business. What do you need, bookkeeper or CPA? Really, what you need as a startup, as a small business, is a financial accountant that is going to help you not only organize your books, but also understand your books, help you with insights, have that financial partner throughout the year that you can work with to make sure that you're using, tax strategy to take those deductions at the end of the year. And so their title might look different. Some of them will also have a CPA, some of them won't. Some will call themselves bookkeepers, some will call themselves accountants, some will call themselves various different things. But what is important for you is to find out if they really are providing that financial accounting, that financial insight for your business so that you can start growing even faster and have a healthy financial statements for your business. Check out our next video and you got this.